Hello everyone, welcome to Chemizon Complete Chemistry. So you might be wondering what exactly is this? So this is called as a nebula. What exactly is a nebula? It is a cloud of gas and dust. It is also called as crescent nebula. And how big is this nebula? It is very vast. The entire solar system, our entire solar system can be fit into this nebula 7 times. And from where does it get this bright red color or red light of this nebula? From the superheated star. Okay, at the center of this nebula, there is a star which emits this light. And how big is that star? That is called as WR136, and it is 15 times heavier than Sun, and it gives 250,000 times much brighter light as compared to Sun. And from where do we get its immense power? It gets its immense power from helium. Helium is present as a fuel. So that is what is we are going to see in this today's video, that is second element, that is helium. Now we have to see how exactly this star emits this light. So in the last video, if you remember, we had seen that sun consists of hydrogen atoms. So what used to happen is hydrogen atom used to combine or collide, and they used to form helium atoms. Okay, hydrogen atoms used to combine to form helium atoms. This is called as nuclear fission. This is called as nuclear fission. Okay, two smaller nuclei combining to form a larger nuclei. This is called as nuclear fission. And in this process, large amount of energy is released, plus a bright red color, that is the light, is also emitted. Okay, but now what has happened is almost around 200,000 years ago, star ran out of hydrogen. Means now there is no hydrogen present. What is present is only helium atoms. So helium atoms are now combining and giving this gigantic red star. Okay, gigantic red star, it's red light. So this is all about the nebula, and helium is used as a fuel. So how was the helium discovered? Okay, discovery of helium. So in 1868, during a solar eclipse, a very bright yellow cloud of gas was seen around a solar eclipse. What exactly is a solar eclipse? Moon comes in between, it passes in front of the sun, due to which a part of the sun is blocked, as you can see here. And this outer gas of cloud was seen during the solar eclipse. And what was that unknown gas? They didn't know at that time what was the name of the gas, so they named after the Greek god of sun, named as Helios. Helios or Helios, and from this Helios god, Greek god of sun, the name was given to the gas, that is helium. Okay, this was about the discovery. Now let us see some physical properties. How does this helium look? It is a colorless gas. Okay, colorless gas. But if I put it in a glass sphere, pure helium in a glass sphere, and I electrify means pass electric field, it gives a purple glow. Okay, and what about its electronics? Helium atomic number is what? 2. Atomic mass is 4. So number of protons is same as the atomic number, that is 2. Since it is a neutral element, number of electrons are also 2. And this atomic mass is the sum of proton and neutron, number of neutron plus proton. So neutron is atomic mass minus number of proton, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So it has 2 electron, 2 proton, and negative means it has 2 electrons. Okay, plus means there are 2 protons, and neutral means there are 2 neutrons. And it is a gas discovered in 1895, where it is seen in the periodic table here. Okay, first is hydrogen, then we see helium. Okay, it is what? It belongs to which group? It belongs to noble gases, that is group 18. Okay, this was all about the electronic configuration of helium. Now exactly where do we see helium in space research? It is used in a particle accelerator. What is a particle accelerator? It is a machine that smashes atoms together, and in this machine liquid helium has lot of applications. It is used for cooling. Okay, this is the image of which? It is image of Large Hadron Collider, which is in Switzerland. Then where we can see helium? We can see in the planet Saturn. Saturn is made up of clouds of hydrogen and helium. Where else we can see natural gas also consists of some helium. Next, where we can see in our day-to-day life, in a maglev train, okay, maglev train which floats on the tracks. That is why it is called as maglev train. Here also liquid helium is used for cooling. That is why it is called helium cooled maglev train. How does this work? This train consists of a pair of magnets. One is used to move the train forward, and the other magnet is used to so that the train can float over the tracks. And tracks also consist of magnets so that they can repel the magnets that are present on the train, and eventually the train floats. Where else we can see in an MRI machine. What is an MRI machine? MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Okay, in magnetic resonance imaging, this is a instrument or a machine that is used to take images of the internal organs. Okay, images of the internal organs. Okay, if you have personally used this machine, you might be knowing this MRI machine. And what is the role of helium here? Helium in this machine is also used as for cooling. Helium cooled MRI scanner. It is used to scan the organs of the patient. Okay, what are the other applications? It is used in helium ion microscope. Then it is used in airship to make it lighter than air so that it can float. And we also use it in balloons. So this is the end of this video. In the next video, we'll see some other element. Thank you.